Privateum is a technological and legal solution-based community platform that enables private assets management. My name is Rico Richardson, and in this video I'm going to tell you all about it. Privateum is the only secure, global, safe and sustainable fintech crypto platform owned by members, which provides privacy and legal umbrella to its members. It's based on the cooperative business model that some banks and companies use as well. Privateum's technological platform for financial system integration is based on the consortium blockchain technology, where banks, insurance companies, borrowers, lenders, stores, groceries, big and small businesses can integrate within one global ecosystem. Privateum provides businesses the ability to connect to crypto and make the most out of it, while excluding current limitations such as companies neglecting quality over quantity, not being able to connect with better suppliers and manufacturers, and helping cutting excessive costly procedures. The architecture allows business to business, business to consumer and consumer to consumer, and because of it, no user will be left behind. To fully understand its business model, I'd like to tell you what the cooperative business model is. Now, a cooperative business is just like any other business. They can have physical facilities, have regular business practices and similar functions. The organizers draw up bylaws and other necessary legal papers, and they are registered with the Chamber of Commerce. Members contributing to capital raise elect a board of directors by participating in the management of the business. The board sets policy and hires a manager to run the day-to-day operations. The way a cooperative business is different from a regular business is how the profits are divided and how its ownership and control is shaped together with the purpose of the cooperative business. Every member in a cooperative is basically an owner. Privateum values community support, and therefore Privateum community members receive shares from the union of cooperative profit in portion to the total number of shares. Starting a project starts by figuring out which problems you like to solve. For Privateum, there are a couple of issues they see, 6 of them to be precise, and the first one is that the privacy and legal protection have become a critical requirement for financial organizations to maintain the trust of their customers. And the second one is the absence of any legal-based solution for financial privacy. And the third one is that crypto market is very unstable because of a small number of projects that are solving real financial problems. Which is kind of interesting because the instability also has to do with the uncertainty regarding to laws and regulations. So on the one hand, we have El Salvador granting banking licenses to crypto projects and adapting crypto as a legal way of payment. And then on the other hand, there are more and more stories of people that get refused mortgages and loans that they have made their money in the crypto industry. The fourth one is that there is a lack of global asset management solution in the crypto market. And the fifth one is the absence of secure digital asset storage solutions without risk of losing it. And then we've got the final one, the sixth one, and that's that the banking industry consolidation has led to a significant decline in locally based banks specializing in lending to small businesses. Now, Privateum is an innovative financial platform that brings together legal entities, financial partners and individuals. It provides its members with a secure and private way of exchanging funds, services and goods within the ecosystem. The project has 6 key advantages, which are an industry-leading security, secure by design, end-to-end encryption, and any access to their infrastructure is granted based on a user's identity and context, with continuous monitoring and validation of privileges. Privateum's systems and data are geo-redundant and load balanced, and all transactions are executed in a Privateum network that is secure and protected by Privateum Ghost Network solution. They also have 6 key features, which are the use of a ghost network, which means that the Privateum network based on the consortium blockchain technology has an internal secured private blockchain network that resides in the cloud in memory and is resistant to failover, and permissioned consortium blockchain technology use an access control layer to govern who has access to the network and their unique ghost network technology, and that ensures that even if hacked, the attackers won't be able to control transaction data and perform fraud operations. They also have an embedded internal mechanism of a guaranteed transaction within a private network. And their proof of authority algorithm used in the Privateum Ghost Network delivers comparatively fast transactions through a consensus mechanism based on identity as stake. So the final key feature is the transactional swap operations, which means that assets conversion to the internal network will pass with 2 separate transactions. So the first transaction is executed between the public wallet with the PVM token and proprietary Privateum API. And once a contract to submit PVM tokens to Privateum is executed, second transactions start by triggering integrated API internal check with integrated legal partner network and will trigger funds processing within Ghost network to private wallet and once legal authority is confirmed. So this process is fully secured and serves as an atomic transaction, ensuring safety, data integrity and consistency. So the full details on this will be linked below, so you can just read up on them. So this isn't a new project which you usually see on my channel. However, that does give us some nice information on what the project has done in the past few months. So let's have a quick look at some of the things they've done in 2021. They managed to get over 10,000 holders of the PVM token and grew to an all-time high of $2.60. They've launched their wallet, which I'll talk about in a few minutes, that allows you to send and receive crypto, store and swap and protect your digital money with industry-leading security. They had a few DEX and SEX listings, which are PancakeSwap, 1inch, XT.com and HitBTC. And over the course of the year, they've also made quite a few partnerships and were audited by Certic. Now the Certic audit consists of a simple 5-step process. Phase 1 is reviewing the code, Phase 2 is send custom code, Phase 3 is reviewing the source code, and then we've got Phase 4, which is suggesting remediations, and the final one, Phase 5, is the completion of the audit. And because the audit reports are comprehensive, transparent and objective, they are actually recommended by the top exchanges including Binance, Huobi, OKX and Bitmart. So when the audit is approved, you can imagine the potential it has. Hence the reason I personally always look for audits on a project when researching it to invest. And besides the Certic audit, they've also released their Whitepaper 2.0, which I'll link down below. And they managed to get a crypto license, which is huge and became the largest asset management project on the Binance Smart Chain. So all in all, they had a very busy year last year. And before we move on to the wallet, please know that I'm not a registered financial advisor. So this video should not be meant as financial advice, but is educational and entertaining only. Never invest money you cannot afford to miss, because there is nothing as volatile as crypto. And for full transparency purposes, I want you all to know that I do not hold Privateum myself, but they did sponsor this video, so a big thanks to the team in Privateum for giving me this opportunity. Okay, so let's look at the wallet right now. The Privateum wallet is the official digital assets and crypto wallet of Privateum Initiative platform. So you can send, receive and store Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies and digital assets safely and securely with the Privateum mobile wallet. The wallet also has a DEX support and has integrated 1inch trading directly in the wallet. It can be used to check your balance, transactions and other details, as well as keeping your private key secure with bank level security. Now the team has let me know that the app will have an update, so be sure to follow their socials for the latest update. And the great thing is that the wallet can already be used, so it'll just get better. Privateum has a native token called PVM, and it's a BEP20 token, which means it has the inherited scalability features available on the Binance Smart Chain. This token has 5 use cases, which are registration and verification, contributing equity, partial redemption of equity, the transfer of equity, and the redemption of equity with cease of membership. So for the registration and verification, you will have to undergo the KYC or KYB process, which will give you entrance to the Privateum platform. Holding the PVM token will grant you access to the platform's features, and you can also contribute equity with your crypto, and by depositing the PVM in a private wallet, you're contributing, which allows you to enjoy benefits. Further operations are being implemented following effective membership policies, providing opportunities to exchange into the cooperative internal platform token for further transactions of cooperative shares nominated in goods and services as well. And when we look at the partial redemption of equity, this means that members can decide to reduce their contribution volume without giving up their membership. And moving your tokens from your private wallet to a public one will be seen as equity redemption. A user can also transfer equity to other cooperative members as long as the token volume does not lead to a balance below the stated minimum volume. And when participants want to end their membership, they can deplete their total contribution volume while paying a termination fee to the Cooperative Trust Foundation. And now that we've covered the use case of the token, it's important to look at the tokenomics too. And the most important thing I like to see is how many the team and advisor will hold out of the total supply and what their vesting schedule is. Simply because this will tell you whether or not the team and advisors can cash out their tokens early and just abandon the project. And the tokenomics for Privateum are as follow. There is a total token supply of 80 million tokens, of which the founding team takes 15%, which comes down to 12 million. There isn't a vesting schedule, but they have been audited by Certic, as said before, and they underwent a rug pull test, and the audit is approved. Alright, so let's have a look at the team. Their core team consists of 6 people, with Alex Stern being the CEO and founder, together with Gevorg Airapechian. Because this video is already as long as it is, I'll just put links to their team page down below so you can read up on them yourself. And if we look at the roadmap, we are currently in the final stages of the roadmap, where they continuously work on the project in the shape of a new wallet, features and bug fixes. Also, what's important to know is that they are actually working on a new roadmap right now, but since it's not designed yet, I couldn't show you it in this video. However, just know that there is more coming about Privateum. And that's it for this video. All links to their socials can be found in the description down below as well. Make sure to join their Twitter and to stay updated on the latest news. Also, let us know if you are interested in using their wallet by leaving a comment. Like the video if you thought this was helpful. For now, my name is Rico Richardson. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Doei!